Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing how you can go through the plan sanction process, like what is the process with respect to MCD, Municipal Corporation of Delhi. Now, previously everything was, offline. People had to go to the MCD offices and, get their things done. But now things have changed. Also, by recent developments by government of India has reached a certain landmark, right? It has jumped over 30 positions in terms of ease of doing business. So MCD has also joined hands in this ease of doing business initiative, and now this sanctioning process, it has become way better than it was before. So procedures, they have come down to 8 from 16, and total time for approval, it has changed from 90 days to 37 days. So now to get your construction approved, you need to follow these simple steps, right? And all this has to be done in a single window. First, you have to go for the sanctioning of building plan and the start of the construction project. Then inspection of plinth and its approval. Then issuance and completion of certificate on the completion of construction of your building. So what you have to do is, first of all, go to this website mcdonline.nic.in/portal. So you'll be seeing this kind of a screen, and here on the top right corner, you can see online services. Just click it, and then this kind of a box will appear in front of you. So just input the required details, your word or colony, and then on the next page you will see this. These are the various services that are available on the MCD's website. For example, company hall booking, healthcare licenses, hawking license, and all that. From this, you have to select a building plan sanction EOD. Right? When you click this, you will be redirected to this page. Now on this page, you will find very relevant information with respect to your plan sanctioning process. For example, you can see here there is a checklist. In this checklist, you can see all the requirements that are required for this sanctioning process. So you can just view this list and get your documents in line before starting with the process. Then you can also see there a fee calculator. You can get an idea of how much will be your fees by filling some details. Then you have this dynamic dashboard for your viewing all the details of sanction, length, and completion things. Then you have the citizen search tab. Here you can see various layout plans, zonal plans that are there in the MCD, and completion certificate list. Basically, there are certain zones where the construction rules, they differ from the other zones, right? So that's why you need to know which is your zonal plan. Like, you need to go through your layout as well, and then you can proceed further. What you can see is a registration tab. Here, all the architects, engineers, supervisors, structural engineers, they can register here, and then they will be eligible for the sanctioning process to MCD, right? So this whole of this is just a procedure that I'm telling you for your knowledge. But if you are a person who is not from this field, for example, you can not an architect, engineer, supervisor, or any of such person, then do hire a professional. Okay, so it will be easier for you, because then you also need to get sanction drawing made, and there are certain rules like how it has to be made and all that. So if you want those services, in reality, our firm, it also provides that all these services. So you can also contact us. We have a Gmail and website given here. Also, you can Google us and reach out to us. Next, if you want to register yourself as an architect, so you can see you have to click the registered architect and then this form will appear. You have to fill in the required details for the registration. If you want to see the fees that will be there for the plan sanctioning, you can see click the fee calculator and this sort of a form will appear and you can fill in the required details and get an idea of your charges. Now, for the actual plan sanctioning, you have to click here the user login again for the top right corner of the window. And then a form will appear. You have to fill in these details like plan type, building type, zone, and all these things. Then you have to fill the NOCs, right? If your zone is such that it requires NOC from certain authorities, Airport Authority of India, DMRC, DUAC, and all these things. So you have to fill in these NOCs and required form. Then there is this next page where you have to attach all the required documents that were there in the checklist that you would have seen before reaching here, that I also talked about previously in this video. You have to attach all these things and then you have to pay the fees, the building permit fee. After all this is done, you can pay the sanction fee, in which plinth inspection fee will also be included, right? When all of the process is done, you can download your sanction letter from this window, right? Online building plan, you can see there and download the sanction letter and then proceed with your construction. So this was a gist of how this process functions, giving you an idea of what all things you require. And if there is no response for 30 days by the authority, the plan is deemed sanctioned for the 31st day by the system, right? So this is one good thing. The process is quite simplified. Just make sure that you connect with an architect nearby your area, and so if you connect with an architect in your area, so it will be a lot easier for you with respect to various document handling and invoicing and all that. Architect will do all of it and get your things done before the construction. So if you want, you can also contact us. We are a firm in Delhi. You can also Google us. And if this video was informative for you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.